Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Xbox and confirming the console is updated. Updates expose the latest accessibility features. Once signed in, press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, then Settings. From Settings, choose Accessibility. This is where speech and text features live. Make sure your controller or headset is connected so you can test immediately. You're now at the exact menu where text-to-speech and speech-to-text options appear, so you can enable them next. Now enable text-to-speech by opening the text-to-speech settings and toggling the features you need, speak notifications or narrator, for example. Once enabled, adjust voice selection, speed, and volume so speech fits your listening preference. Test with a sample line to confirm. Also set triggers. Decide whether TTS reads system messages, chat text, or only the narrator. Fine-tuning here prevents surprise interruptions, so take a moment to balance clarity against frequency. Finish by testing TTS across the console. Open a party chat, send a chat message, and navigate menus to verify output through your headset or TV speakers. If speech doesn't play, make sure privacy and chat permissions allow text reading and check app-specific TTS toggles. Once done, restart the console to apply settings. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings and reconfigure. This resolves most glitches and ensures TTS behaves predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.